To help you make the most of your Electrolux wall oven, we're reviewing some of the most common sounds you can expect from your appliance. Let's start with some of the tones your oven features. The cook timer will count down the amount of time you specify, and a tone will sound when the timer reaches 0, indicating the dish is ready and the oven has turned off. When using the bake setting, a preheat tone will sound when the baking temperature is reached. The temperature probe has a tone that will indicate when the internal temperature of the food reaches its set target temperature. Finally, when using the steam clean feature, a tone will sound when the clean cycle is complete. You may also hear sounds like thumping, clicking, or humming when using your appliance. But these are common and can occur when your oven is on. As the temperature in your oven changes during use, you may hear noises as your oven expands and contracts. This is perfectly normal. Additionally, the control panel will make clicking sounds when the oven is operating. Your oven also contains a cooling fan that keeps the electronics cool. You may hear this fan when the appliance is operating or cooling down once it's turned off. If your model has a convection feature, you will be able to hear the convection fan running when it's in use as well. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.